Now let's take a look at the extensive challenge question 1. It says that I have a learning aid used to explore the SSA model, and where Q can move on MN, where P is moving around this semicircular slot and with a fixed length of 8, with NA as the center. So it says when PAQ is 30 degrees and PQ equals 6, the shape is uniquely determined. So how do we find that out? So if this is 8 and the remaining side is 6, it means that it can go there and it can go there, right? So there are two ways we can do it. If you try to draw a smaller circle right there, you can see that it's going to touch AM at 2 points, or MN at 2 points. So it means that the first one is not unique. The second one, when PAQ is 30 and PQ is 9, what's going to happen? So if you're trying to draw a circle right there when this is 9, you can see that it's going to go across 8, yeah? It's going to go across 8. So when this is touching MN at this point, PAQ is 30, but when it is touching MN at this point, PAQ is no longer 30, right? It is 150 degrees. So it means that it is unique indeed, all right? That's the second one. And for the third one, when we are trying to see when PAQ is 90 degrees, it means that P is right there, yeah? And this is going to be 8, where I have a 10 for PQ. So this is 90 degrees. I have a side, I have the hypotenuse. So it is telling us that it is actually going to be the RHS case to determine the single unique shape. And then when PAQ is 150 degrees, well, it means that Q is on this side. And PQ is 12. So you can say that it is also unique because if you draw a circle around, well, probably I'm just going to use the circle function there, like drawing a circle. If I'm drawing a circle and that's big enough to include that, you can see that, well, it's just touching it on one side. If it is on the other side, it means that PAQ is going to be 30 degrees again, right? So it means that this is also unique. Now, C is going to be the correct answer because the second, third, and fourth statements are correct.